Sunrise on the beach, the sun peering over the horizon, a cruise ship heading to port. And the waves rolling in as they catch the sunlight before gently tossing it into your eyes. But below those waves is something more than what meets the eyes at the surface. Now, maybe you've watched a documentary or two where they strongly advise you against going into the water at sunset or at sunrise. And this is the reason why. Yes, those are sharks, very close to shore. But what kind of sharks? Let's take a closer look. The distinctive black tips on their fins and the pointy snout help us to identify these sharks as blacktip sharks. Blacktips only grow to a maximum length of about 4.9 feet, and they primarily feed on small fish. Blacktips are skittish and tend to stay away from humans. Nevertheless, these sharks can be dangerous to humans. Let's find out why. Bigger and more powerful sharks like the great white, the mako, and the tiger shark have big eyes and a relatively bigger brain with a larger visual cortex. Bigger eyes mean that they're visual predators who will swim close, circle, and check out their potential prey before deciding whether to attack or not. Blacktips, on the other hand, have relatively small eyes, so they're not primarily visual predators. Notice how this blacktip is swimming in water that is not even knee-high? With the waves breaking and churning up the sand, he can't see anything. So he will rely primarily on the vibration of a swimming fish to determine the fish's location and then use its speed to lash out and bite its prey. With visibility so poor, a person who ventures into the water and splashes around could easily be confused with a struggling fish, causing the shark to lash out and inflict a serious bite. Under those circumstances, a person could say, "I was viciously attacked by a shark." Well, not really. You were in the wrong place, under the wrong conditions, with poor visibility, splashing around like an injured fish. A typical case of mistaken identity. So, if you're a tourist, do what we do here in Florida. Don't wade into the water at sunset or sunrise. The sea doesn't belong to us. It belongs to the sharks, but they allow us to play in it, as long as we respect their schedule.